And we are going to make a dolphin. I will show you step by step. Okay, children. So first, what we are going to make? First, we will make an oval here. Then what we will do? I will extend this line little bit here. Okay, I will extend this line, and I will erase this portion. See, I will erase this one. Done. Now we will make here his face like this. So this is the structure of the dolphin. We'll make his tail. Okay. Now we will make here, we will make one line like this. Done. Okay, so now we will make his eyes. For the eyes we will make a circle, then a small circle like this. Okay, and then here we will make his fins, say like this, and here we will make some water drops like this. We will make first we are going to use this dark blue. Okay, children, so dark blue we are going to use for the lines. Only lines we are going to use. This dark blue, see children, I am going to use only for the lines. See, slowly it should not go out of the border. Okay, children, see. So this water drop also we will use dark blue. So here I will use the light blue color. From one side slowly. Okay, children, see, from one side slowly I will use here this light blue color. Okay, see, like this. So I have used the light blue color here. Okay, children, see. Now I will use little bit dark blue also. Okay, children, here I will use little bit dark blue also. I will make little bit dark here. Light blue and dark blue I am using here. So light blue color done. Okay, children, next this tail and fins also we will do dark blue color. Okay, children, we will do dark blue and light blue mix we will do. Okay, children, so see. Now I will use little bit dark blue. Okay, children. Done. Next we will use the black color for the eyeball. Okay, here we will use the black color. Okay, so almost done. Then the water drops we will use this dark blue and light blue both we will do here. See, and so like this we will do. We will leave little bit white portion here. Okay, so now we will make the water portion. Okay, children, here I have used already dark blue color, and now we will use light blue color lightly. Okay, children, lightly we will do light blue color. See, from one direction, from one side one direction. Okay, children, slowly step by step. Remember these things. From one side, step by step, slowly. See, children, step by step from one side, slowly. It should not go out of the line and you should not change the direction. Okay children, so now let's continue. So I have completed the blue color. Okay, from one side slowly in slipping direction. See children, like this. From one side I have done slowly step by step. Okay children, so next class तुमको क्या चाहिए कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख देना. ठीक है children, I will make the drawing. Okay children, so now keep practicing and bye bye and subscribe the channel children. Bye bye.